much, Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with day 30 of May I Scraplift You. Today we are scraplifting Jennifer Johnson, also known as hclappy on Instagram and maybe YouTube, I don't know, but her links will be posted below. And I am still working on using up the Simple Story, Simple Vintage Life in Bloom collection. I am down to the scraps. It's down to the wire. We have one day left after this. And I have had so much fun using up the collection. During my monthly layout share, I will show you all the layouts, all the cards, and what I did, because I plan on using up all of it. And thanks to one of y'all subscribers, I was able to snag another whole kit of 12 by 12 of this collection. So I am over the moon. Here's a piece of the paper, and I did gut it so that I could still have this piece to use on something else. And I use this piece of paper from it, and these butterflies are from that collection. And then I have some of the flowers from the collection. I am very proud of the fact that I have been using up those stickers. Now, this background paper and this came from this Vicky Booten Sweet Rush project pad. I had this, and I don't know, I love Vicky, but it's so hard for me to use the stuff because it's so pretty and I want to save it. So I've been trying to pull it out, use stuff more. I just have some scraps from my stash. This is from a Dollar Tree sticker, and it actually had more stuff, and it was more beach themed. And we're at a creek, and we're not near the ocean, so I cut all the stuff off the top and just fussy cut around it, and then just kept the little flip-flops and the beach ball. And some of the flowers that I stamped from the Vicky Booten stamp sets. Okay, so these are my pictures I'm using. They are from us being at Fall Creek Falls. I don't know if this was last year or the year before. We went for Father's Day, and let's see, I was trying to look. Usually I can tell by my face. And then I put this card in on the back of this because I only had this one picture left and I couldn't make it fit, so I'm going to make it fit using a flip flap. Anyways, I really love Jennifer's layout because of how it's pretty much a grid. It's a grid layout. And yeah, I am adding in more pictures than what she has, and I'm doing it a little bit different, but I'm sticking kind of to the basis of it. So there's that. So let me glue this on. I just have this background paper and then this cardstock. I can't believe I made it through a whole month, y'all. Overexcited. It's been rough since I switched it up this year and only post 3 days a week to going back to posting every day of the month. It can get a little bit overwhelming. But I have to say I've done good. I haven't really stressed out about it. And I added the additional challenge of doing only this collection. That was the stressful part. So, let's see. I'm just going to lay out my pictures here. And I apologize if there's a glare. I almost want to trim that down just a little bit more so there's some room in there. Okay, I'm going to grab my trimmer. Sorry, because it's a big one. So I don't usually pull it out and use it. Okay, Let me trim a little bit off of the other one too. But this is my favorite trimmer. Having this guillotine or whatever, guillotine top trimmer, versus the other ones. I used the other one for forever. But whenever I got this one, it was a game changer. And I really like it. So, and I can cut through a bunch of papers at once. Also, okay. So that's better. It gives me a little bit of room and you can still see the background. So for this one, it's going to go down here and then I'm just going to put this picture up underneath it. I'm going to line it up. So let me go ahead and glue this stuff down. Just going to kind of line it all up. I need to refill my glue. And let's see here. I thought this background paper was perfect because it reminded me of waves. Which you don't get waves over there. You have rapids. Because it's very rocky and it's a creek that's running down the mountain and the water is so cold. But it's nice in the summer on a good hot summer day. But it don't matter how hot it is outside. If you jump in that water, it will take your breath away. Like my legs usually instantly start cramping. It's like, oh no. Okay, let's put this on. And then we'll see about lining it up. Okay. And then I have this that I was just going to put right here. And I figure I can just journal and all that or whatever in there. I know it's probably hard to see with all the blue on blue on blue, but I think it works. Okay. So then I'm just going to add in all my other little embellishments. So I wanted to run this across here just to give it a break. And you can tell I pieced stuff up with scraps and all kinds of stuff. I apologize, my air's kicking on. It's that time of year where it's hot outside again, but it's freezing in here and I'm so cold. Which I stay cold all the time, so hence why I have a sweater on. Of course, my family's like, it's so hot. I'm like, oh, well, I don't know. I can't put on much more clothes. Okay, let's see here. Where did my foam tape go? I cleaned up a little bit, so you know what happens when you clean up, then you can't find nothing. Alright, so I'm going to use this as my title. And I just pieced this together. I put it on a piece of paper and spelled out the words from all the alphabet stickers and put snapshots and then just fussy cut around it so that it would say summer snapshots. Okay, and then I have these little flowers and things. Let's see here. Let's raise this up a little bit. And add the flowers. Let's see. I think I'll just glue this one down and then I'll pop the other one on foam tape. Not covering up anything in the picture, so. This, I want to say I maybe did a layout about this before and maybe showing them diving off the cliff. There's a rock cliff, like, which you can't see it, but it's like right back here in the background. But there's a big old huge rock cliff and everybody climbs up it and then jumps off. Not me, because I'm not a dummy, but but my husband likes to do it and I ain't doing it. It's too dangerous. But people like to climb it and all that stuff. And I'm just putting this here just to, you know, he didn't have a shirt on. He was swimming, so just to cover it all up in his tattoo. And it's not a devil tattoo. Everybody likes to think that. It's not, I promise. If you're a fan of the show Supernatural, he is a huge fan. Watched them all. It was a whole thing in the house. We all watched it. And it was actually the symbol that they had, that Sam and Dean had. And it was supposed to be an anti-possession symbol to keep the bad stuff out. It's supposed to have been a protection. So, that's what it is. So, in case y'all were wondering, because I know y'all probably saw it a few times in my videos from various things. Okay, so then I just have these little butterflies I thought I would use just to be using them up. Let's see. I kind of need a small one over here. This one needs to fly this way. Maybe I can put the yellow one here. And then this pink one, I don't know. We might not use them all. Let's just put it there. Let's see. The purple one's flying the wrong way, so we'll save it for something else. Actually, you know what? I think that's all I'm going to put on there. It has 3 butterflies, creates a triangle for everything, so I think we're going to call that good. So, that's going to be our layout. And like I said, I can do my journaling here. And definitely go over and check out Jennifer's links and everyone else playing along with May I Scraplift You. It has been a super fun month, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I have inspired you to pull out a collection and use it all up. And until next time, bye y'all.